Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. I want to announce a giveaway that we're doing for the month of June, which is sponsored by ABC Window Cleaning Supply. ABC is going to give away 3 different items. The first is an 18-inch applicator sleeve from ABC. These are all ABC products. A dozen of Al's 18-inch round rubber, and the quart of Glisten from ABC. The contest to enter, any member, just by starting any type of a thread on the forum. And that thread, the winner will be the a member that has the most replies or responses to any thread that they start in the month of June. There's already been, some good threads on there that have been started, and already been, there's been some great discussions on them. We're proud to have ABC as a sponsor, and just want to make the announcement that get in there, check out some of the discussions that we have going on, and please contribute. We're always looking forward to getting more discussions going about anything within the industry. Again, I want to thank ABC Window Cleaning Supply for being a strong supporter of the Window Warriors Forum. Thanks for watching.